What's up, you guys? It's your girl Glory back with another video. As you can tell, got something different going on. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my hair this really cute like pink color with no damage and no bleach. Before we go ahead and get started, if you like curly hair videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also remember to follow me on my social handles. I will leave them below. And let's go ahead and get right into this video. So sometimes I get bored of my hair and I really like to switch it up. Before going blonde, I used to dye my hair constantly and it caused a lot of damage. So whenever I get bored, I like to switch it up using hair paint wax. You guys know what this is. I mean, it went viral last year. I did a lot of videos on all of the colors. This product I do get from Shop Ponyfly. It's curly girl friendly. There are no harsh ingredients in it and it washes off right away. There's also so many different colors. There's red, there's green, blue, purple, white, silver. I think that's it. No, I think there's a gold. You can also mix them together to create different colors. Which I love. So today I'm going to show you how I use the red and the white to achieve this nice light pink color. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I just got out the shower and my hair is freshly washed. I will go ahead and link the products that I used to wash my hair down below. So before going in the wax, for me personally, I can't use it without using something moisturizing underneath, because sometimes it can be a bit drying. So I like to use a cream or kind of a leave-in to leave in my hair. Today I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Multi-Action Leave-In. You guys know I love this. And I'm going to go in with the Pracaxi Recovery Oil Combing Cream. These two will really help me to keep in and lock in all that moisture. Since I'm blonde, it's so important for me to get every single area. So I'm gonna go ahead and work in sections to make sure that I cover it all. So I did already apply this product all throughout my hair, and let's go ahead and start. My hair is completely styled and I'm loving the results already. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair and we'll be back. So I just got done diffusing my hair and this is what it's looking like. Obviously you guys can see my hair is so nice. I love how it looks. Like if I were ever to dye my hair a color, I would so go pink. I did take a bit of the Slicked Flexible Styling Glue just to lock in, especially my ends, because I didn't really want it to rub off on my shirts. And I'm touching my hair and there is no transfer on my hands, which is great. The only issue with the hair color wax that I do have is depending on what I wear, it can rub off a bit. So I just opt for darker stuff or something that doesn't show much here. And I do cover my hair in a bonnet at night so I don't ruin my bed sheets and my pillows. But I just love it. I'm probably gonna keep this on for about a week and then just wash it off. I'm really liking this whole lava girl moment. I love it. Obviously the color payoff is really good because I have very light hair, but I've seen so many people use it on their darker hair color and it looks so good for creating some ombre looks. But if you've been looking for a way to switch up your hair color without damaging, I highly suggest you purchase some of these hair color waxes. If you're interested in purchasing any of them, I will go ahead and link them below. But guys, we finally reached the end of this video. If you liked it, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and also go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.